Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this makeup transformation. I cleaned, prepped, moisturized, and primed the skin. So I like to go in with brows. I'm using a brow pomade. A trick I like to use is actually doing a brow color that's lighter than the person's natural hair color. This definitely helps for giving you a nice youthful look. I find that darker eyebrows tend to age you, so that's a trick of mine. Get something lighter than your hair color. I am cleaning up the brows with concealer at the under part of the brow. I don't like to use concealer at the top of the brow. I used to do that, and I find that that also ages you because it's too light for the skin. So I like to use a light concealer just for the base of the eyelid to give a nice, even, smooth finish for the eyeshadow. And then for the top of the brow, I am using the foundation. I think it just looks nicer and a little bit more wearable. It looks like skin instead of cake face. So here I am just carving out the top of the brows, cleaning them up. My model here actually has natural brows, which I love. So you don't have to wax or thread or tweeze to get a sculpted bold brow like this, because makeup can really do the trick. So here I am just setting the brows with a clear brow gel and a disposable wand to ensure that the brows stay in place. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using a chocolate brown matte color to use as a transition. I'm setting that on the outer V of the eye and blending it forward into the middle of the eyelid. Only doing it in the crease area. I applied this color with a fluffy brush and then blended again with a clean fluffy brush to get that nice blended look. Here I am with a denser brush and coming in with a matte black eyeshadow and really just pressing it into the skin, not swiping it, just pressing it into the outer V and bringing it up towards the mid area of the crease, and just ever so slightly packing on that color. Once that color is packed, I get my clean fluffy brush again and then get the harsh edges blended. So here I am trying to match both sides. And then with a white eyeshadow base, or you can use a white concealer, I am carving out the cut crease. So I'm actually bringing it into the inner corner of the eye, all the way to the mid of the eyelid. As you can see, I find that the best trick to do this is have your model open their eyes every now and then so you can see where the crease is with the eyes open as well as with the eyes closed. Here I'm just going back and forth between both eyelids to make sure that I have some symmetry with the cut creases. Now to set the cut crease, I'm packing in a matte white eyeshadow color in the area where we have the white cream cut crease. Then I add a little bit of black to the outer edge just to darken it, and then that chocolate brown color as a gradient effect after the black. Then I just go back and forth to make sure that we have a seamless blend, add more black as needed, and just keep blending till it looks really nice and soft. Taking the time to blend really makes the difference for these types of looks because it really adds to the wow factor of the eyes. So now for the intimidating part, the eyeliner. I like to start with a rough outline of where I want my line to be. It looks terrible at first, I know, but I like having just like a rough line. Same with the wing, just kind of start with like a rough draft of where you want your wing to be and then add and clean up as you go along. I used a thin eyeliner brush for the wing and an angled brush for the lid. One of my tricks here is to lift the eyelid slightly to really get a smooth line on the lid. As you can see, it just applies the product better. This is a really good trick for mature skin and hooded eyes because you can really get the product deep in there to make sure there's no gaps in your lines. Next, I'm cleaning with some micellar water all of the fallout and messiness of the products. Moving on to foundation, I like to apply a darker foundation color and then mix in a lighter foundation color to get a better match, and then blend the foundation using a beauty sponge. Now moving on to concealer, conceal the areas that are necessary. If you have any discoloration, hyperpigmentation, dark under eye circles, acne, blemishes, just add on that concealer. I like to grab a concealer color that's just a couple shades lighter than a person's natural skin to get that brightening effect but not look super ghost white. And again, blend that with a beauty sponge. Now, I don't like baking anymore. I used to do it, but I find that it leaves a really unnatural cast. So I just grab a regular powder and set the under eyes, and it really leaves a nice smooth finish. Next, I'm contouring the temples and the perimeter of the face. One of my favorite makeup tricks is layering blush. First, I put a rosy pink to the apples of the cheeks and then a coral color to the hollows of the cheeks. I just think it leaves a beautiful, youthful look to the skin. And also because I'm doing a matte skin and eye, no highlight is necessary for this look. Moving on to lips, I'm applying a dark brown lip liner and then with a disposable wand, adding the lip color. So for some really disappointing reason, my camera just decided to stop recording, so I added lashes, eyeliner to the waterline, and mascara, and then I set everything with setting spray. I apologize for not being able to show that to you guys, but I'm going to show you the final reveal and how she felt about her look.
Okay, ready? Okay. Grab the light.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
You like it?
Oh my god, yeah! Oh my god, I like it!
So that's all for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're in the Chicagoland area and would like a one-on-one makeup class or to have your makeup done by me, hit the link down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.